Okay, the code here doesn't look very good. Good, I mean elegant, right? So better to define a function and put that in. Okay, so this means is for the u prime gesture, right? Because this gesture will trigger rotate u prime, top prime. Okay, so let's define enum enumeration for all those gestures like oh, we have that. Yeah, they are here. 6. So 6 of that and 6 of those primes. Let's define that. Copy that. And create a new file. Swift. Let's define the enumeration for, okay, so cube gesture, right? Gesture. Cube gesture, okay. So enum, right? We can use this enumerated type, yeah. Cube gesture. So case what? Let's put it back. Put this here. So cube. Let's do. That's missing one. So cube f. Case f. And case B, case L, case D, and case U, and case R, right? And we need to add all the primes for that. That means counter clockwise of their. So we cannot use these, I guess. Can we? No. Okay. So that's why we use prime here. So prime means that, yeah, for some people who don't know what prime means, right? Prime means this. Is from our standard notation of Rubik's Cube. If you don't know that, let's take another look of that. So prime, so Rubik's Cube rotations. Here, you see? Primes. Those are prime, F prime, R prime, U prime, okay? So prime, and we have another 4 of them, right? Like the whole, we rotate the whole cube. So what is that? Case left to right. So left to right, okay? For the whole Rubik's Cube. And the case right to left. And of course, up to down, and down to up. Or we can use like U to, okay, this is fine. Now we can remove that. So we can use these. Wow, there's so many different cases, okay? So now let's go back to our game engine here. I think let's improve this part. Well, it's our, no, this is our view. Yeah, it's Rubik's Cube. Okay, here. So let's define the function for this guy, okay? what it should be. What should it be? So function cube gesture. Yeah. So we can return cube gesture or with cube gesture with with let's put the code wait a minute, let's put parameter is that, so we'll parse this and return the data type cube gesture, right? So what is the logic? So if this, right, if that will return dot, what is that? Let's check here. Is up prime u prime, okay, dot u prime, and okay, so what else? Oh, we can return an optional. It means it might not be a valid gesture, right? So return nil here. That's a good design. That's a good strategy, okay? So now here we can use a switch, right? Switch what? We can do this, right? Let cube gesture equals cube gesture width, right? From column, from row to column and to row, right? Let's hide that so we don't have the, we have a longer space here. So now we can handle this, right? We have all those, let's go back to here to copy all the cases here. So delegate, well, is our cube gesture, so let's copy all of them from here and put it here, all the cases. Wow. So we need how can we handle that? So let's do this. Break. This will silence. Make the compiler happy before we finish all our work. Okay. Yeah. Now, what? Use of unresolved f, or dot. Haha. Dot. We need a dot here, so let me make a copy here. And dot. Yeah. So it means cube gesture dot. So, okay. So what must be exhaustive? I think it's exhaustive already. Switch, no? What is missing? What is missing here? Do you want to add missing? Case none. Oh, yes, that's cool. because this is optional. Wow, I like this. So there's a case none. I didn't know this before. This is a new feature of the, I think, newer version of Swift. Cool. I like it. This is very cute. So if it's not a valid gesture, I would just ignore it. Cool. So now, for F, no, we can do U prime. U prime is here. So instead of break, right, we can do rotate. Rotate U prime. So here, yeah. And now we can get rid of this part, right? It's already handled. Oh, yes. So now for the U, we can do U, case U, copy, case U, so it will be here. Now let's remove this. So this is called refactoring. It's fun, right? We didn't change the feature of the app, but we improved our code. Rotate R prime. R prime is here. Okay, now we can get rid of that. What about R here? Sure, R is here. Now this guy is cube left to right, left to right, this guy. So left to right, this guy, left to right. Yeah, we can rename this one to keep consistent with L to R. Do you want to do that? Okay. Let me finish this first. Okay. So this one will be R to left. R to left. Yeah, here. Cool. Now let's rename this one to rotate L to R, right? Rotate the cube, so let's remove the cube. Yeah. And rename this to R to L, right? R to L without the Q. So, what is this one? Oh, no. We still need that to get, okay. So let's put back. How can we do that? Undo, 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 undo. Undo. Okay. Then we can make a copy of this in our clipboard. Make a copy of that. Then redo. Yeah, redo. Now let's put our copy here. Control I to auto format. Now here we'll return U prime, right? Dot U prime. Let's remove that. Here, else if, okay. We'll return U, right? So we'll return dot U. And this one, else if that, will return, oh, actually, yeah, it's good. So return R prime. So we'll return R prime. Yeah. So here, let's put it back like that. This is R. And this one, L2R. Yeah. L2R. And this one, R2L. Now let's give a try to make sure we didn't break anything. So top, let's do U prime, okay? U prime, and do a U. Okay, let's try R prime. R prime. Yes. And R again. Yes. So it's a successful refactoring. That's great. So now we can, okay, take a break and see you next time.